Imagine a mermaid and a giant clam in Palau. They live in the rock gardens, this gorgeous UNESCO World Heritage Site in the South Pacific. The mermaid and the clam will welcome soon a very, very special guest. No joke, no fantasy. This is reality. The guest is invited to be seated on a chair under the water, talk with the mermaid and the clam, and anyone ready to listen, live from under the sea. Who's the guest? What will the talk be about? The mermaid writes down a date on a piece of paper, stone paper of course, under the water. Are you ready to join? October 5, 2025.